Welcome to the beacon installation guide video. The beacon can mount to a square pole and a round pole. The pole can be 3 to 4 inches wide. You will need to drill a total of 4 holes on the pole. The distance from the top hole to the bottom hole is 9 inches. The distance between the 2 center holes is 3.5 inches. These are all the components we supply with the beacon fixture: the solar panel bracket, the light cover screw kit, mounting bracket, and screw kit for the light. First, roll up the light cover. Use the light cover screw kit to secure the cover to the light. Next, install the light by screwing the light bracket to the pole with the screw kit. Please secure screws in this order. Finally, install the solar panel bracket to the light bracket. Tighten to secure, and then connect the solar panel cable to the light cable. The solar panel is adjustable. Once you pick a desired angle, tighten the screws. You can access the panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. Press the button at the bottom of the light to turn the light on and off. The light can flash 50 times per minute.